Dear viewers, have you ever thought that why do movies have background music? Or why do models in the magazine always smiling? Or why do packages have label like saying 95% fat free? This all is done to make us feel good because what we buy depends on the mood we are in. The marketers want to make us feel good so that we buy their products. Dear viewers, I am Pritam Raha and you are watching Less But Better, and this is the 17th episode of the book review of The Art of Thinking Clearly, and today I'll be describing Affect Heuristic. We are the slave of our emotion. So without further ado, get the ball rolling. So dear viewers, at first let me tell you that what does it mean by Affect Heuristic? Heuristic is a mental shortcut that we follow to make quick decision in a new situation in which our current emotion like sadness, happiness influence our decision. It is a decision that we make in the surge of our emotion. Affect heuristic is a shortcut that we make to judge the world around us. We use mental reaction to determine how we assess risks and benefits. If we like something, we think that the benefits are high and risks are low. On the other hand, if we don't like something, we think the risks are high and the benefits are low. If we are in the positive mood, then we are most likely to take action that are high in benefit and low in risks. On the other hand, if we are in the negative state of mind, then we take action that are high in risks and low in benefit. When we are in a positive state of mind, it is most likely that we to follow our goal properly. So, this indicates that we to start our day with a positivity, because one positive action triggers another positive action and another positive action triggers another positive action, and it works like a chain. Dear viewers, now let me tell you that what is the reason of this affect heuristic? Our primitive ancestors lived in the cave, in the forest, in the hostile environment. So, in the evolutionary past, whoever thought long and deep had to go in the jaw of the predators. So, they had to make quick decisions, and for that needed the mental shortcuts to make quick decisions. And we are the descendants of those quick responders. As a result, following mental shortcut is in our instinct. One of the added reasons is that thinking takes effort. It is something unpleasant to our brain. So whenever we face a situation, our brain makes a pattern. And after that, if we face same kind of situation, our brain just creates the shortcut and follow the same reaction that we did in the past. So it goes into an automatic process so that it can avoid analyzing information or data. Because our brain doesn't like analyzing data or information much. That's why it always prefers to make some shortcut. Every time the similar situation comes, it just follows the similar pattern and similar behavior and tries to avoid analyzing it properly. In the conclusion, it has to be said that whether we like it or not, we are the slave of our emotion. During the time of taking complex decision, we consult our emotion rather than our thinking. But don't do this. Don't substitute the question that what do I think with how do I feel. Whenever you are going to buy a chocolate, then ask yourself how do you feel. But whenever you are going to take a crucial decision, ask yourself, what do you think? If you can do this, then your decisions will be improved and your life standard also be improved. So dear viewers, this is the today's video. If you like the video, you can hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, and if you have any suggestion for me, you can put your comment below in the comment box. See you in the next episode. Till then, goodbye.